So friend, this is Intel HD Graphics video part 2 here, and watch my previous video. My previous video I told you Intel HD Graphics inside different type of options available in the home tab using Intel HD Graphics in systematic and optional systems here. So this is Intel HD Graphics video part 2, and other options uh, leave in part 1. So I'm recover these options Intel HD Graphics video part 2. So watch my videos my last previous video, because this is a very important for your, and sometimes your some people not understand directly, because this my video all of video part was here, and you maybe not understand this my video, so that means you are not watching completely step by step part wise video here. Okay, so Intel HD graphics, watch my part 1, because this is a very important for you, and why using Intel HD graphics, these settings, and how many type Intel HD graphics inside options and settings here. So this is I'm already told you in Intel HD graphics part 1. So this is continue this Intel HD graphics part 2 inside the setting. So let's start and understand how many type Intel HD graphics available now settings. So let's start and continue this video. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech sketch. In this module you can see here this online Nettech sketch, this type right and search here, and you can visit here. This is my channel logo, and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, how to use PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses, and I'm daily update this video for you, and very free of cost, and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlists available in my this channel, and you can visit, very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this basic channel. This channel very helpful for you, and advanced you can learn about computer. Okay, and visit one by one my, you can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me, and you maybe like, so this is very good for you, and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video. And the general settings, you can see just as what I don't like, and I'm just click on yes, and you can see this 3D. So this is a support 3D systems here. So this is a main of your computer, using your 3D graphics animation software, 3D using movie animation software, 3D your gaming, your 3D using other your system. So this is a HD graphics control panel showing in your 3D systems here. So this application optimized automatically, and this is showing so enable this my system by default. So maybe in your case disable, so click on enable here, because this is a very important sometime your application using a 3D technology. So this technology 3D enable and observe systems here. Okay, so this multi simple art your this showing here. So multi simple art, that means you are open two software, just like I'm open this software, and second open other 3D systems here. So that means these are multiple systems. Okay, multiple these software setting this control panel system of SD graphics. And you can see these override operating system application system. So this anti aligning LT aligning. So this is connectivity monitoring and system your override your application some settings. And so I don't like this because I'm customize create these settings here and turn off. So you must turn off in your systems. So you are override application settings maybe using these settings automatically in your software by this Intel graphics only. So not I like these systems here. Okay, and you can see general setting, that means performance, you want to balance more, you want clarity, and custom settings, you want anything. So select and click on apply, and so custom you can see. So balance mode, that means you balance your systems and balance you want performance, you want quality. So this is a your computer showing 3D systems. But first you want high configuration type and high resolution type your motherboard and CPU and RAM here. So you can see just this my this setting showing me here in my computer. So this is my showing hotkey. So already created these Intel shortcut created by this Intel company here. So you can see these you configure by your computer your custom systems here and set up your systems in shortcut key by you want anything customized systems here, and disable, so you want disable here. But this shortcut key help for changing your anything directly, your graphics and graphics animation, software animation time, changing your systems and display settings, how using and how can you watch in systems here. So this is restore graphic default. So this anything your problem anything, so this control Alt and F8. So this is automatically this software default setting take, and this default means Intel company already create settings recover, and you can set here. You can see just these my systems all of details here. So report time and version and driver version. So you are install driver 10.80 operating system detect automatically, and this default language English. US physical memory is my 4 GB RAM, but showing 3995 MB only. And this physical memory not your video memory. Says these only your RAM. Okay, so this RAM you are installed 4 GB RAM. So this is not completely showing a 4 GB RAM, because some files physical component in store your RAM inside, and manufacture company by these some very important files, and RAM file store in your RAM. So this is a identity of your RAM and RAM slot, and how you are manage and how many type transfer, how can transfer data. So this physical memory your RAM in this 3995, that means 5 MB store in very important my RAM data here. So these 5 MB one type of program created by memory RAM company here. So this is showing me physical memory 3995 only. You can see just here, and vendor ID is showing me here. So this is a vendor ID, that means this my this Intel HD graphics program working this ID here, and the device ID you can see just a device ID showing. So device ID that means my display showing me here. Okay, so 0402 these automatically ID give by BIOS systems here, and the BIOS how can give a systems here, and after this device ID automatically take give other your operating systems here. So watch my video previous computer information in Mr. Tools. You can see current resolution this my 1360, and you can see just my BIOS video BIOS. You can see just 1028.8. So 1028.0 this my BIOS version. You can see right side my processor showing here, and the processor information showing in my computer here. So processor speed, processor graphic in use, and uh, your shader version, OpenGL version, Open CL version. So this GPU logic systems and GPU systems here. So this is my Intel Pentium CPU. So this my processor name and version here, and with speed showing me here. So you can see just here this processor name Intel Pentium R CPU G32. Okay, so this is important for my processor because this my Intel HD graphics working on this Intel CPU for here. Okay, so processor you must have dual core i3, and using your anything your your any important systems here. So my shader version 5.0 Intel graphics in HD graphics these drivers to install here, and processor speed 3093 these megahertz. Okay, and OpenGL version 4.3, and OpenCL version means 1.2, and you can see just runtime version 12.0, and hardware support version, that means hardware support means my motherboard support version 12.4. You can see just my select option. So these selected options showing me all of my detail of this display. So this my display type analog only, so not a digital systems here. Digital is one type of touch screen here. So analog is one type of you can see this what is analog and digital. I will discuss in your systems. So analog is one type of only output receive and output give, but not a multiple working in systems, and I will discuss in what is analog and what is digital. And second is digital one type of it. So you want a digital display, so touch screen is digital systems here, and DDC protocol supported, and I'm connector type VGA video graphics adapter, and device type monitors. So this is how you can power management my system. So power management you can see active off mode, so supported here, and right side you can see supported mode, that means supported resolution. So this is a resolution of my system in my computer. So how many type of supported systems here. So this is a maximum image size, so 16 into 40 inch, that means 16 inch my horizontal size showing me here. So 9 vertical, that means this you can see here 9.606 inch here. So I am already told you our display calculated in inch pixels and pixels here. So supported modes my minimum is 640 into 480 16 pixels, and maximum 1366 into 768 16 pixel horizontal. So you can see this my computer in and preference. You can see just here how many preference in the profiles for for profile warning messages here. So profile management, some your warnings, messages, preference in the different type information, any problem. So this showing here. So one by one I'm discuss profile warning images, messages, that means anything your problem. So turn on screen keyboard, so you like enable and disable. So on screen what type of showing in systems here, okay, but I don't like these. You can start your turn on screen keyboard by your systems accessory from directly this system, this turn on screen keyboard, okay. So on screen keyboard, so I already told you, and you can see just all of key resources link. That means you want any help, you browse Intel graphic driver knowledge and support websites, some graphics websites, some your download latest Intel graphics driver, anything. So this is a give a link in your system, in your software here. You can see just here. And the second is your, you want your other systems, just like uh, you want using other systems here. So you can change your profile and you can change your systems here. So this is the profile showing me by defaultly. This Intel created a default you are install. If you are install that time created automatically system profiles here. So this is the settings completely in my computer, but I will discuss in system, other systems. So this anything your problem, so Ctrl Alt F8 press here. I press again here, and any your by mistake change unnecessary using settings, unnecessary using changing your settings and problem in your system. So by default you can set these options here, default option set here, default settings here. So completely this my system work here, okay. You can see just a color through my system in my computer. So this is a video. So you can change in video systems and video quality and how many are using a video quality. So you can see just my color enhancement same to this application settings and application input range complete here. So I cannot changing anything because your HD graphics type, your video, your animation videos, your powerful videos. So total color correction, this you can change your video systems and video playing anything your systems here. So you can read how many type read you want. So you can see just changing here. You want a read you change here, so you can set up here completely, okay. And you want anything change other systems here. So this is I like only on default system because I cannot changing here, okay. So this is image enhancement, that means this only image only. So this is a driver automatically settings and first application setting. So application, this is a one type of SD graphics control panel is application settings. Application automatically set up your systems, and you can see just here. So this is a image enhancement, that means your image systems here. So how you look you look your images system, anything you want changing here. So this is a profile path here, and you can see just advanced, click on here. So that means advanced you have you want you change here. So you can change here, but I don't like these. I like only default systems here, but I'm just only showing you. So this is a video completely here, and a profile. So you want a profile, so you can create your profile, but I'm suggest you I'm give advice not create your custom profile because not need no unnecessary system. So this is automatically created by this Intel and good your systems. And so you won't create anything profile, so click on here and you select it just like anything you want like here. So you can change Adobe Reader, anything your Google and other systems here. So applications changing here your application on your other action systems here. So this is our display settings and display color, the videos, 3D, anything you want in this your this window here. Okay, application you can change in here, but I'm like only this default system settings completely here, and I can change it by this Intel HD graphics application. So I will discuss in next time Intel Rapid Storage technology. What is the Intel Rapid Storage technology? If you are using Intel HD graphics, this video and this video graphics driver here, so automatically this Intel Rapid Storage technology available in Internet driver. So again, new these type showing in your computer. So complete my Intel these systems and my all video part was here. Watch my part was video. So next time I will meet you. Thanks for watching my video.